welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Look what they have out at the Dollar Tree. Come on with me, guys. I cannot believe this. So they're starting to pull out their fall stuff, bring out their fall stuff. Okay. Thankful, blessed, harvest wishes, gather together. Here they have the harvest DIY pins. Yes. And they have the mushrooms. Okay, so these are new, at least where I am. Here's the pumpkins, and there are the apples. Okay, there's the fox, and you have some craft stuff that they're coming out with. And here are the area decor signs, and I like these. These are the faux books. I can't believe these things are out already, guys. We're still in June. Wow. So, pumpkin patch. I also like these. These are so pretty. This one has the truck. This white one. And look, so these are fall hooks here. These are new. And I'm liking these. All right, then we have the, you have these decor pieces, and these are new. I don't think I've ever seen these, guys. So then we have these. They're just calling these decor. And they're calling these decor. Wow. So these have come out before. Here's the corn. These are nice. So this feels new and it's pretty heavy. Here's the door knockers. And I'm really liking these for crafting. So here is the faux boards and some pumpkins here, some scarecrow, and let's see, faux leather. So you know I'm loving these sunflowers. Here's blessed in 2 different shades. The stencil, self-adhesive, stickers, cupcake wrappers. And look at these. Okay, so these are coming back. This is a lighter color pumpkin, and these are the zipper seals. All right. Okay, so I am like so happy to see these things. So like I said, they're just putting them out. I'm loving the sunflowers. You can't ever have enough sunflowers. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.